So I have here a package of 9-inch aluminum foil pie pans. This is a 25 pack. We're going to see if it's the right size, if they give us, everything that they said they were going to give us, that kind of thing. Just measuring them right out of the package, they are just under 9 inches. They're like 8 and I'd say 7/8 of an inch. But of course, these are moldable. So you can certainly pull that out just a little bit and get the full 9 inches. If you want exactly 9 inches for a pie, there we go, 9 inches. There, as far as the depth goes, they are 1.5 inches deep. 1.5 inches deep. And the base of it, the base of the pie, is going to be about 6.5 inches in diameter. So, like I said, these are flexible, so you can mold these, shape these however you like. This is what the bottom looks like and the sides. But yeah, if you're looking for a pie pan that's exactly 9 inches, you can certainly mold this to that. And you get 25 of them. So hope that helps you know if it's something you want to buy.